welcome to Call of Duty Jatisari. Now I will explain to you about how to open this candy pen. Simple way. This is the sign you can cut it. Okay. Don't use cutter. Don't use scissor. Don't use sword. Don't use knife. Only use your bare hand, your finger like this. Look. Let me show you how to cut it, how to open it. Just a simple way is just like this. And look, okay, success. And how to eat it? Okay, the first rule you use right hand, and you should sit down and pray first before eating. Okay, let me show you how to eat it. The first your rule, you should sit down, use right hand, and pray before eating. In my belief, the simple prayer is Bismillah. Like this, yeah? Sit down, right hand, and Bismillah. Like this. Okay, thank you. If you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.